So actually जो बोलते हैं कि you've got it easy becomes the hardest thing for you.
Yeah, it is. It's the most hardest thing, I think, to carry on that legacy, that kind of pressure. Plus, changing the mindset of everyone in your organization is the worst and a very difficult part.
He is Avneet Singh Marwa, and he is the CEO of India's largest consumer electronics manufacturing firm, Superplestronics Private Limited. Today, on this episode of Unbound, he tells me what it takes to remain relentless and unwavered in the face of competition, global challenges, technology, accessibility, affordability, and lots more. Avneet, कितना load होता है to carry all those expectations of success? सेकेंड जनरेशन entrepreneurship, अवनीत कितना लोड होता है to carry all those expectations of success? How's it been for you?
Load काफी होता है. I think since childhood, you keep on getting this कि आपके father का काम है, आपको तो कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. But actually, when you get into it, then you feel what kind of pressure. I think when you don't have anything to lose, you can take much better bets and risk. But once you know that you have to make this successful, and especially when your father is one of the leading entrepreneurs in that particular industry, and the kind of success that he has tasted, and I have to grow that, I think immense of pressure. It's not easy, and you have to be an all-rounder. The biggest part is you have to be an engineer, you have to be an accountant, you have to be a brand manager. Okay. And trust me, it's very difficult to be an all-rounder. I was not an engineering student.
Yeah.
I was a complete commerce student. After joining for about 2-3 years, I was regretting that why didn't do engineering, and I had to learn from scratch. I have literally worked on machines. I have literally dealt with the with this very semi-skilled laborers or maybe unskilled laborers. And I've been with all of them. I'm really proud of doing all that. And that's where I learned the smallest things.
So actually जो बोलते हैं कि you've got it easy becomes the hardest thing for you.
Yeah, it is. It's the most hardest thing, I think. I think to carry on that legacy, that kind of pressure, plus changing the mindset of everyone in your organization is I think is the worst and a very difficult part, because everybody has a mindset that he is born in a silver spoon, and he'll not be able to do anything.
Yeah, what you're saying, I hear you. I completely hear you. And it's a very beautiful point you've got. Me too, because Bollywood में तो हम nepotism बहुत सुनते हैं, and but nobody actually gets to see कि उसके साथ वो जो expectation का pressure है, जो success का pressure है, कि आपको चीज़ों को notch up ही ले जाना है. और अगर आपने गलती की, you could be the first time entrepreneur and you can fail. But if you're the second generation entrepreneur, can you really be a failure?
That's the biggest thing. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Then people come and said कि सारा कुछ इसके father ने करा और इन्होंने सब डुबा दिया. And I hear this with a lot of people. And I don't, and sometimes I know the guy has really worked hard. It was, there were multiple reasons that, he could not get success on that particular product or etc. But, it's completely sometime out of hands.
Absolutely.
And then you just blamed, one person is completely blamed from everything. So
And he's written off also.
Yeah, absolutely.
We are quick to write off people.
Yeah, absolutely. और जहाँ तक nepotism की बात है, there is absolutely no nepotism. I'll tell you why. In my case, consumer has to decide. They don't see my face and buy something.
Correct.
In terms of any other industry, they like your acting, they will give you success. They don't like your acting, they will never give you success, no matter what. And same goes with I think politics. They will like somebody, they will elect. They will not like somebody they will not like. And one important thing, see, uh, for any father, uh, they want their children to be successful. They'll not do for their neighbors, yeah. They will do for their own babies first. Okay, before they do for something for somebody. So they will try their best that whatever things they could not do, they will do for their kids, or at least they want them to be established.
Yeah.
So is it wrong to treat your kids or make them establish somewhere? This is completely out of the same guys who are saying this.
Yeah.
They'll be successful and doing the same thing for their kids.
Kids as well. Yeah,
आप
that's so
जो ये
true.
है ना 25 साल के बाद आप लिख लो जिसने बोला है, फिर उनके बच्चों से बात करेंगे.
True. But what about the leadership styles, Avneet? Because again, when it is about anything getting passed down generationally, and of course, you are very different from a generation before, and as a leader, you will stand for very different maybe ethos, values, or even maybe processes. So how loggerheads to hota hoga na? Wo to
Leaders are born, Mamta. They're not developed. Let me tell you. It's inherent. Leaders cannot be developed. मैं देख चुका हूँ. If you have leadership quality, it will be there in you. You can't develop कि मैंने 4 books पढ़ी और आज मैं leader बन गया.
True.
Okay. Yes, you can improve by all these guidance. You can definitely improvise what is happening. But you're saying that I will do something and become leader. It's not that. It's inherent. It's you are born with it. And some people are very good managers. Some people are very good leaders. Some people are very skillful people. Okay. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. It's very difficult to be all-rounder. So, yes, I think one quality that comes from maybe from my father, that how to become a very good leader. And since childhood, I was always, wanted to be leading the stuff. And today also, I take a lot of responsibility.
But was this your dream?
In terms of, see, my dream was, you said your dream, right? Yeah. So my dream was, we had reached somewhere. Now we had to change our direction in the same category, but at a different level. So that was my dream. Okay. I was seeing a lot of changes happening in the country and how things were changing. A lot of people were going really in a traditional manner.
Yeah.
And I wanted to change the mindset. So that was my dream. Because I was really fed up when people used to say, ye nahi ho sakta. That's the first thing. It's so quick that anything that goes for a change about 10, 20 years back, especially 10 years back, ye nahi ho sakta. This is a very different country and things can't change very easily over here.
Yeah.
And all thanks to our Gen Zs, our alpha millennials, they changed, they experimented, and look, we just changed the whole narrative today.
Yeah.
And
they pasted it on the faces. Yeah. We are the change.
Yeah. And there are pros and cons, but and one thing, see, and then even the elder generation,
yeah,
I will not say they were forced to, but they had to.
They had to.
वो भी आ गए ना YouTube पे. उन्होंने भी प्रीमियम लिया. वो भी
उन्होंने भी सत्संग देखे.
उन्होंने भी WhatsApp चलाया.
True.
वो भी taxi app देख रहे हैं. They've learned it.
Good morning messages are being forwarded by, I think the most of that generation is the one who's doing that in family groups.
Exactly.
So has this triggered any story, idea or thought in you? Or do you have a story to tell yourself? Then reach out to me at Unbound with Mamta. Write to me at unboundwithamtaa@gmail.com या फिर किसी भी हमारे एपिसोड, स्टोरी, रील या शॉर्ट्स को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें. Keep watching Unbound with Mamta. ये कॉन्फिडेंस कहाँ से आया है? बिकॉज दिस इज ऑल्सो अ काइंड ऑफ कि चाहे वो 70 साल का इंसान है या मेरे से पहले से फैक्ट्री में काम कर रहा है, इज अ स्किल लेबर और समबडी who's been with the legacy of the business, बट मुझे उसे बताना पड़ेगा कि ये सही नहीं है. कॉन्फिडेंस तो चाहिए ना. सो एज अ
हाँ, then you have to. That's what I'm saying. See,
Yeah.
मैं आपको बताता हूँ. I've never spoke about my struggle. 5 years, I never sat in a. Today also, I don't have a cabin. By the way, मेरे पास कोई cabin नहीं है. मेरे all my offices, I don't have any cabin. ठीक है. मेरे पास कोई
बैठने का
even my
टाइम नहीं है.
नहीं e-commerce office में भी my factory, other corporate offices, branch. I don't have a cabin. ठीक है. मैं बैठता ही नहीं केबल में. ठीक है. सबके साथ बैठता हूँ. ठीक है. और अपना या कॉन्फ्रेंस उसमें कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल में बैठ गए टू डू वर्क. सेकेंड, first 5 years, I and that decision I took. I went to each and every department, worked in every department, and unke saath I used to have sometime lunch also, work with them, work with the labor,
Okay.
work with every employees, everyone. ठीक है. उन्हीं के साथ just to get in the feel की हो क्या रहा है and learn everything. तो कॉन्फिडेंस कहाँ से है? व्हेन यू नो एवरीथिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ आप ग्राउंड से नीचे से आते हो, आपको चीजें पता होती हैं. दिस इज वेयर द लैक इज, दिस इज वेयर यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव, दिस इज वेयर यू दिस इज गोइंग रियली वेल, यू नीड टू know this very well. So when you know this number game,
Yeah.
and when you know how things are happening, ये वहाँ से confidence आया. Then if anybody will question me, I should have that answer.
Yeah.
And when people had this question, तो काफी लोगों ने मेरे को lightly भी लिया.
अच्छा.
ठीक है. And who are not there in the organization. And I never said them to fire them. They just went by themselves because they know what were the things that they were not doing correct. Okay. And at that age, it cannot be corrected also. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है.
बट आपने एक बहुत अच्छी चीज इस सेगमेंट में पहले बोली कि आई डिडंट कम फ्रॉम एन इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड टू नाउ लीडिंग इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट स्मार्ट टीवी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग
This
यूनिट.
is unbelievable. This is मेरे को sometimes I also don't believe. I went to Google head office, okay, where Mountain View to their main building, okay, a guy who doesn't have zero knowledge of computer science, doesn't come from engineering background, okay, is not from IIT, and is still in that building doing business, cracked a deal, and one of the first ones in India to do so, and got that. So that's for me, it's a personal satisfaction.
इट इज अ ह्यूज
Yeah,
थिंग.
so मतलब
इसका आंसर तो गूगल करके भी नहीं मिल सकता.
yeah, and ठीक है. और I'm not scared कि भाई मैं IIT से नहीं हूँ या I'm not done any.
कभी भी इट्स नेवर बीन अ वॉइस इन योर हेड
No, मेरे को नहीं है. मतलब it used to be.
कि शायद मैं कॉम्पिटेंस में कम हो सकता हूँ.
कॉम्पिटेंस में कम नहीं हो सकता, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. मतलब फिर कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा कि यहाँ तक पहुँच गए. कॉम्पिटेंस के अंदर हाँ, lot of things to learn, yes, lot of things are happening, yes, but अगर कॉम्पिटेंस में कम हूँ तो यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँच गया?
Mechanism क्या है? Like how do you get to that point where you can just look at yourself in the mirror and say that I can do it? Because a lot of people, including me, probably myself, हम लोग सिर्फ अपनी judgment में ही रह जाते हैं.
नहीं, उसका मैं आपको बताता हूँ क्या. द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. जब आप सोचते हो ना, व्हेन यू नो कि बॉस ये 24 घंटे थे, आउट ऑफ दिस 24 आवर्स व्हाट हैव यू डन? इफ यू आर बिजी द होल डे एंड इट्स बिन फ्रूटफुल, उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं कर सकते आप ममता. आपने काम करा, वो फ्रूटफुल भी हुआ, आपके रिजल्ट्स भी आए, देन यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट. बॉस इससे ज्यादा क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं? आई डोंट हैव एनी स्पेशल सुपर पावर्स. ठीक है कि मैं 1 घंटे को 120 मिनट्स कर सकता हूँ और घड़ी पे वो 60 मिनट दिखें. ओके, सो 60 मिनट्स मीन 60 बिजनेस. यू हैव टू डू इन दिस व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू.
इतना तो आइडेंटिफाई किया होगा कि मेरी सबसे बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है.
वो नहीं बताऊंगा.
you're the first
मैं क्यों
founder on the show to say
मैं क्यों बताऊं अपनी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है मेरी स्ट्रेंथ में अपना व्हाई शुड आई सेल माय स्ट्रेंथ? ठीक है, दैट्स माय स्ट्रेंथ, नॉट टू सेल माय स्ट्रेंथ. ठीक है, कर लो आप, मतलब मैं यही तो फिर कर रहे हैं काम.
यही तो गैस है.
आप स्ट्रेंथ भी बता दो, वीकनेस भी बता दो. कल को कोई मेरे साथ मीटिंग करने आया है, कहेगा ही नोज एवरीथिंग अबाउट दिस गाय. ठीक है, मैं क्या करूंगा फिर पूरा टाइम?
Very well said.
हाँ, बट मैंने एक चीज और देखी है, दैट नोबडी वांट्स टू लिसन योर बुलशिट. नोबडी वांट्स टू. आप कोई भी हो, even you are the richest guy, even you are the head of the state, nobody will take your bullshit.
तो differentiator क्या है फिर आपका?
किस
What will you say? मतलब as Avneet Singh Marwa, who is at helm of things, taking all the shots and risking it all out, vis-a-vis any other competitor, what's the biggest differentiator?
between Avneet and anybody else, or between SPPL and somebody else?
Both ways.
Differentiator.
Hmm.
I think the biggest differentiator in terms of our brands has been the core of the product, as I told you. अभी फिर दोबारा काम की बात करूंगा, फिर आप कहोगे काम ज्यादा कि देखो उसमें क्या है कि जो कोर है, यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई. ठीक है, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट थिंग्स. आई विल गिव यू अ वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड एग्जांपल, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, एंड इट इज वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर एवरीवन. आफ्टर सेल सर्विस, वेरी वेरी टची टॉपिक. ठीक है, मेरे को लगता है सोशल मीडिया का जितने भी पेजेस हैं ब्रांड्स के, उसको लिखना चाहिए सो ब्रांड कस्टमर केयर. उसको मार्केट नहीं करना चाहिए, बिकॉज दैट पेज इज ओनली फॉर योर कंप्लेंट्स. दैट्स इट. ठीक है, conversion of a good review is only 1% on social media nowadays. So then I realized कि boss, complaints आएंगी, and the kind of people how they are vocal,
Yeah.
you have to serve them well. छोटी छोटी चीजों पे काफी फोकस करा. For example, there is while selling something, कहीं पे there is a fault in the product, for example.
Yeah.
Or there is a minute thing that has happened. Our response to that is only 3 days. In term, not to customers, at the product level.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Okay.
At the product level. If we have about 4 or 5 complaints, same thing, in a day or 3 दिन में आ गई. Boss, 4th day, our R&D is working on it. 5th day वो line पे change हो गई.
Okay. So the new set is coming without, yeah.
This is very very difficult, trust me. यहाँ तक backward integration करना, तभी तो product failure कम से कम है. बड़ी I have seen a lot of big companies which do not have their manufacturing facility. वो product पहले जाता है, फिर उसमें complaint आती है, फिर उनका वो देखता है, then it goes to the factory. It's already taken 45 days. Consumer have lost the confidence
and trust in you. Yeah.
Okay, so this is very very small things, very small thing. So that's the differentiator. That differentiator I want to give to the people. कि वो जो differentiator they should see, like if I will buy Thomson, Kodak or any way, this is the thing that I will get an extra. Plus again after sales, we are a manufacturer, सारे spares हैं, for years we have spares. If you're not a manufacturer, you don't even know that what kind of failure it will be.
Exactly.
आप एक साल का failure, you can have some numbers, but when there is a major failure, what will you do? You will call them, वहाँ से भेजो, you know the time it takes. So for example, बड़ा आपको simple example देता हूँ, कोई गाड़ी है, ठीक है, किसी के भी any brand, वो जाता है आफ्टर सेल्स में, वो कहते हैं पार्ट नहीं है, जर्मनी से आएगा, जापान से आएगा. ठीक है, क्यों आएगा? ठीक है, बिकॉज उसकी उन्होंने तरीके से कर नहीं रखी. और जो बेस्ट ऑफ सर्वे ऑटोमोबाइल कंपनीज हैं, वो कभी नहीं बोलते मेरे का जापान से पार्ट आ रहा है, जर्मनी से आ रहा है, मेरा यूके से आ रहा है. वो कहता है मेरे हेड ऑफिस में फैक्ट्री में पड़ा है, आपको 4 दिन में आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. दिस इज द डिफरेंस. दैट्स व्हाई यू नो this brand has maximum market share in the country, and they are so proud. This is one of the reasons.
SPPL कोई भी चला रहा हो सकता है, पल्लवी भी चला रही हो सकती है, सर भी चला रहे हो सकते हैं, अवनीत चला रहे हैं, ही इज एट द हेल्म ऑफ थिंग्स अगेन. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंशिएटर? व्हाट इज अवनीत
हाँ,
स्टाइल?
घर में ही लड़ाई कराओ आप पहले. ठीक.
नहीं, मेरा ऐसा कोई.
अवनीत इसलिए, सी, if you want to dig it down, then my first thing is my instincts
Hmm.
and my relationship that I've really invested
Hmm.
in so many years. किसी के साथ भी काम करता हूँ, उसके साथ रिलेशन के साथ काम करता हूँ.
Hmm.
प्रोडक्ट है, ब्रांड है, सब कुछ है. अगर रिलेशनशिप बन गया, ही इज देयर फॉर मी, आई एम देयर फॉर हिम, वी आर डूइंग बिजनेस, ओके, बिजनेस रिलेशनशिप, then he knows that I will stand on behalf of him, he will stand on behalf of me.
Hmm.
And that is very important. People forget this.
Thank you so much for being this special superhuman that you are and so unassumingly playing your role. Avneet, we wish you lot more big billion, trillion days ahead to your unbounded success and beautiful journey ahead. Thank you for being on the show.
Thank you so much, Mamta. It was always nice talking to you. And it was great, that I have portrayed this side of me. And thank you for such beautiful questions.